The Royal Bank of Scotland just urged its investors to sell everything. In related news, I just got a great deal on a herd of sheep. I don't know where I'm gonna put them. Since the 2008 financial crisis, economists have been on edge, anticipating any indicators of another economic meltdown. Not so they can do anything about it, just so they can get Christian Bale to play them in the movie, saying, "I told you so." Many have nervously been watching the Chinese market weaken and oil prices tank over the past couple months. The Royal Bank's advice to investors has sent these skeptics into a frenzy. Albert Edwards, a strategist at the bank Societe Generale, joins the Royal Bank in their pessimistic outlook. He believes that the oil price plunge and deflating emerging markets will be too much for central banks to handle, and the effects will be every bit as catastrophic as the crash in '08. Personally, I want the effects to be more catastrophic, okay? I'm looking for a good sequel here. Billionaire financier George Soros is also siding with those preparing for the worst. At an economic forum in Sri Lanka, Soros called out China's major adjustment problem. The country's growth is slowing, and their currency is depreciating, which is spreading problems to the global market. And these symptoms are scarily similar to the environment we saw in 2008. So are we destined to watch our economy fall to its doom again? Should I be stuffing my pillows with cash as well as my mattress? Not at all, according to Forbes and Bloomberg news sources. Playing for the optimists is Brad McMillan, the chief investment officer at Commonwealth Financial Network. While he understands the fear, he argues it isn't grounded in anything significant. The current decline is about 9% from the market peak. Over the last 35 years, this number has fluctuated from 2 to 49%. So while growth is slowing, it's nowhere near the worst we've seen. It hasn't even reached the average. In addition, low interest rates and lower prices of commodities like oil actually tend to spur economic growth. I know I'm a more confident consumer when I have a little crude oil in my Morning Joe. It's impossible to predict the future, but it seems like the headlines for now may be a little extreme. It's important to be wary, but it's also important that everyone not freak out all at once, or we might put ourselves right back to where we were 8 years ago. I don't know, that was the year I lost my virginity and The Dark Knight came out, so I'd be down. Hey, thanks for watching The Daily Desk. If you like what you saw, click to subscribe, comment below, share the link with a friend or an enemy. I don't care.